I'm on my way to find a secret waterfall, and it's also got like Mother Nature's hot tub, well, cold tub anyway, bubble bath, let's call it that. And by we, I mean me, you, and Fendy, Washington there. Not many people know about this place, even the locals, because it's that well hidden. But the stream that it's part of used to power an old mill that's now gone. I know that it looks sunny and warm, but it's only about 6 degrees C. So the water's going to be ice cold, especially because it's fast flowing as well. But let's get down there, shall we? There it is, look. That's the jacuzzi. And there's the waterfall. And you can jump in off there. Now, I know it's going to be cold, so I'm just psyching myself up a little bit before I get in there. And I know you a wild swim as well, don't I, from my last wild camp, where Dean bottled it. I've also got a piece of gear that I want to show you, and especially you wild swimmers. Anyway, enough messing about. Let's get in. Oh, that's cold. How do we get in? There we go, this side. Woo! Oh, it's freezing, Fendy! Oh. Oh. Right, calm it. Calm it. Oh. Oh. Oh, that's freezing, mate! Ah. Woo. Good job I got all this seal blubber to keep me warm, innit? Woo! Ah! Can't get to it, it's too powerful. Woo! Woo! Look how red I am, like Zoidberg off Futurama. Right, shall we jump in? I can't see bottom from up here, so I'm going to go down and check it first before I jump in, which I suggest everybody does. We don't have to do any dives or all like that. Oh, I'm scared. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. Should be doing adverts for L'Oreal, shouldn't I? Because I'm worth it. This is what I want to show you. Look at that. Brilliant, isn't it? I was looking at them, are they called robes or whatever they're called, but they're like 80 quid or something. And plus they're bulky and heavy, whereas this, it's quite light and it packs down a lot smaller. So they're absolutely perfect for wild camping. It's got a pocket in front of it, and it were only 23 quid, I think. I'll put a link for this in the description anyway. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, won't you? Thanks for watching.